G'day guys, Donny's Hot Tip here, and don't forget to subscribe so you get your 10 years of good luck. Okay, today I'm giving you guys an honest review on the Prim Pearl diffuser. Now these diffusers are starting to become very popular, so I thought I'd just show you guys how they work, what goes on, and few little hot tips here and there. Okay, now let's start with the bad side before we start with the good side, alright? Now there's obviously, I boosted it up so you guys can see, there's 3 buttons here. And they're pretty hopeless. I mean, you can't sort of tell what settings you are. You know, you got to press the button so many times. So to give you guys an idea, if you want a bit more steam, obviously at the moment it's on medium. You press it again, that gives you low. Press it again, that gives you high. I know you probably can't really see the steam, but you get the idea. You press that off button 3 times, it turns it off. And if you want to leave the light on, you press that button once. I mean, for $130, I'm sure they could have had a better system down there to work out, you know, where you're really at, you know. But hey, okay, so they're the bad side. Okay, now for the good stuff. Alright, so this one here, it's their biggest tank, so you don't have to fill up as often and stuff around. Alright, now straightforward, to clean them, it's pretty simple. Right, you take the top off, like so, take the big knobby off, right, you pull that lid off. You get a cloth, wipey out, you know what I mean, fill it back up. Now, to put these special droppies in, all you have to do, just hang on a second, as I said, the bad news, you got to stuff around and press this button, so you press that 3 times, maybe 4 times, alright, you take the lid off, alright, then you get your drops, whatever ones you prefer. I'll put links down below the ones that I bought, but I think are good, but you know, you make up your own mind. Now these can be a bit of a pain in the ass to get your drops out, alright? So I normally just shake it up a little bit, alright? And they recommended they say 10 drops, but I normally just, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, there you go. In she goes. So you put your drops in, screw your lid back on, right? Put your little lid back on, it's got a little thing there, you got to make sure you line it up. Inside here, there's like a little line you have to fill up to. I mean, there's no point in grabbing the camera to show you some line. I mean, I'm sure we can all see that. Alright, we put this lid here back on, like so. You gotta sort of line it up, pop her on, right? You pop your little doozy boozy back on, right? Now what they recommend, which I have as well, but I didn't want to put there for the video, basically you buy a bit of glass, you chuck it on the bottom, and that keeps, because down the bottom there, it gets like a bit misty and gunky and mouldy. So you want to have like a bit of a glass there down the bottom, and then you just wipe it and clean it up. So once you got your lid back on, she's all filled up, you got your 10 drops in. Now that's the thing with these 10 drops. So say it's too strong for you first time you do it, or you put 5 in or 4 in or whatever. But 10 is just a recommended idea, but it doesn't have to be 10. And then you press this button, so you got to press all these. It's a pain in the ass again, like I said. You got to press these 3 times. So you go 1, 2, 3, and on she comes. And then she'll start steering up, and away you go. And then, as I said, you know, if you want to go fast, you press that button a few times. Say you like that light, you press that button. That's pretty much it, straightforward. I mean, they recommend, say, to clean it out every time, but I haven't been cleaning out every time, every 3 or 4 times. I think it's just a quick wipe out. I mean, and that's it, guys. So that was Donny's hot tip on the review of these diffusers. I'd recommend getting one. Just to give you guys an idea, a lot of people have been asking me as well. They will take out, like if you're a smoker, they will get rid of that yucky smoke smell in your house. If you've got animals and stuff, it will get rid of that dog smell. So yeah, if you've got dogs or you're a smoker in your house, I would highly recommend getting one. I got mine through Dusk. All in total, it cost me about $140. That's including the glass plate, the drops, and the diffuser itself. And then that's with the Dusk membership. So with your Dusk membership, it costs you $10 to sign up. I'm pretty sure it's 10 to 20% off your first sale. You will get a $20 gift voucher for 2 years on your birthday. So that's $40 plus you think $50 for $10. So yeah, it's a great saving. So yeah, I'd recommend getting through Dusk. I wouldn't go to the cheap shop and get a cheap one. You're better off spending the money. But yeah, hopefully down the track I'm going to buy one of those cheap ones and give you guys a bit of a review on that, but yeah, I've only heard bad things, but you never know. You might find a good cheap one. Alright guys, once again, Johnny's Hot Tips. Subscribe, like, comment, put down below anything else you'd like me to review or do, and I'll make it happen. Alright guys, see you on the next one.